looking cute as can be.
Is somebody in there?
Your look in my head is sweet.
Seymour! Seymour!
No, it ain't Seymour, it's me.
Oh my God!
Friendly Audrey too. This plant is talking to you.
I don't believe it!
Believe it, baby, it talks.
Am I dreaming this?
No, but you ain't in Kansas neither.
Something's very wrong here.
Relax and go with it, doll. Do me a favor, will you, sweetheart?
A favor?
I need me some water in the worst way. Look at my branch. I'm a goner, honey. Come on and give me a drink.
I don't know what I should.
And it'll leave me nice.
I don't want to run.
Sugar, I'll drink straight.
It's so dry with it.
We don't laugh no eye.
And then we can.
Don't go to stop the line. And now it's Suppertime. Relax, sweetheart. It'll be easier. Come on, join your dance friends and push it. They're right inside. Get up there. Audrey, are you all right?
Yes. No.
Audrey, don't die. Please don't die. Would you?
You know, the plant just said the strangest thing this morning. It said that Audrey and Mr. Mushnick were inside.
It's true. I did it. I fed them to it.
And you told me it's so big and strong, and you're so famous.
I've done terrible things, Audrey. But not to you. Never to you.
But I want you to see more
What?
when I die, which should be very shortly. Give me to the plant so I can live and bring you what a wonderful thing you do.
Don't know what you're saying.
But I do. It's the one gift I can give you. And if I'm in the plant, then I'm part of the plant. So in a way, we'll always be together. You'll wash my tender leaves. You'll smell my sweet perfume. You'll water me and care for me.